Hey everyone, it's Made Easy Monday, and today I'm going to share a kit with you, one of our new kits. It's our Christmas ornament kit. It is so cute. My box is right here. I haven't even opened it, and well, I have opened it. I just sliced it open, but I haven't even done anything because I wanted you to see how made easy these are. Everything comes in the kit, so you just pop it open. It comes in the cutest boxes. I always reuse these. I mean, they have polka dots and they're just darling. But it comes with all the parts and pieces. So we're gonna make one of these today so that you can see how easy these are. So it comes with enough parts and pieces to create 9 of these fun ornaments. So I'm just gonna pull all of this out so we can get started. So we've got, you can see some bows and some fun pine cones and cutesy things, right? So I did slice this open just to make it a bit quicker, but we just slice that open. We've got our ornament pieces and our gold trim, beautiful. My favorite piece in all of our Made Easy kits is our instruction sheet. So it shows what they will all look like. You can see what the finished ornaments will look like. They are so darling. Of course, you can decorate a tree with these. They are so cute for that. But what I'm going to do with mine is I'm going to gift them. So I will make them all up and I will tie them either to their package or their card. And it just gives them a little something extra than, to their package. They can reuse it, they can hang it on their tree, they can re-gift it. They're just so cute, right? So I love, love, love them. So then when you open this up, it's got all the instructions to make the 3 different sized ornaments. So what I like to do, so I don't get all confused with myself, is I like to flip it. So it's got, the number right there. So I'm working on this ornament number 1. And let's see, I think we start small then medium. So let's pull out our rings, or small and large, we'll call it. And so look, they're like metal rings. Very sturdy, very, very cute. Okay, so we've got small and large here. So we're gonna start with one of our small ones. So I'll just set these to the side here. And then we've got our pieces. So then I just kind of go through and go, okay, here's the adhesives we're gonna use. There's a piece of cardboard, so I usually pull that right out. And then we've got all our parts and pieces for the card. So for this one, it says we're gonna need one of these plaid circles. So I'll just kind of put those to the side. So it's one of these plaids. They're so easy, so no die cutting involved. We just can pop these right out. They're laser cut, so easy peasy. And they've got like that gold foil on them. Very cute. Okay, and then let's see, we don't need these for this one. Actually, we're doing the smaller one, right? So actually we need this smaller one. So see, that's why it's great to go through the kit, because you can see, oh, these are connected. Okay, so here we go. So we've got those pieces, and then we also need a leaf piece, which is this one here. So if we're looking at our instruction sheet, we've got our leaf pieces here that we need. So we'll go ahead and pop these out. So usually I just kind of pull slightly. So we've got this beautiful foliage piece, and then we've got this leaf piece here. So we've got that. These will be for our next ones. We'll need a bow. Super cute bows. And look, they're already tied for us even, so we don't even have to tie them. That's lovely. And then it looks like 2 of these super cute pine cones. Okay, so we'll put that to the side. And we've got our gold thread here. So let me find the end of it. Sometimes I just kind of go like this until the piece pops. There it is. Okay, so we've got our gold thread. So what I love is it even tells us right on here how much to measure out. So this says 18 inches, so you can use a ruler or your grid paper. If you don't have one, what is so fun is on our instruction sheet, there is a ruler on the side here. How nice and easy is that, right? Okay, so we're gonna measure out, I'll just use my grid paper here to measure out our 18 inches, which is just about a little longer than the side of our grid paper. So I'll take my ribbon scissors, and that is what I love about all of our kits is really the only thing not included is scissors. So you got your paper snips and you are ready to go. Grab the kit, and I mean, you can do these in the car, you could do them while you're traveling, so many options, right? Okay, so we're gonna take our metal circle here, and it's gonna have us add some adhesive. So we're gonna grab our glue dots here, and it says we're gonna put a glue dot on kind of each top and bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. And I am using my take your pick tool, but you could absolutely just use your hands and pull the backings right off of these. So all I did was kind of smush those glue dots around that circle. Okay, then we're gonna take our string here, our gold trim, we're gonna fold it in half, and we're gonna fold it around our ornament. So all I'm doing here is step 1, just getting my hands together here, and we're gonna loop this around the bottom first. So we've got our bottom loop there. Then we're gonna take this to the top. We'll kind of put that on our glue dot. Let me move that around. Okay, then we're going to take this to the top, and we'll tie a knot here at the top. So this is just gonna secure it to the top and the bottom of our ornament. So we've got, you know, card kits, we've now got some scrapbook kits, we've got, I would call these like home decor kits where there's ornaments, there's, you know, sometimes wall decor. So we have a lot of kit options for all the different crafting you want to do, right? Okay, so then we are gonna take our small circle, we're gonna fold it in half, and you could write a message on the back here in that white part, and we're gonna put this through our string here. So all I did was put that right underneath, so that white is on the back. We're gonna center this on our string, and then we're gonna take our dimensionals. And what I love is I never looked at the instructions for this. So you can just know nothing about crafting and, you know, still be able to craft with these kits right out of the box, not having to do, you know, any research or anything like that. So just put one more in there, and then we'll peel the backings off of these. These are our Stampin' dimensionals. So they're kind of like a foam adhesive. I love that they're a hexagon, right? Like a beehive. They did that just for me, right? Okay, so then we're gonna close this right on top of our dimensionals. And this is kind of the bones of our ornament, right? Now we'll just decorate it up, but that's how you would put that together. I love how easy they made this. Okay, so we've got that. So wouldn't that be such a cute tag? Like all you have to do is you could even stamp on here before to and from, or write your little message, you know, to Susie Q on here. And it's not only a tag, but an ornament, totally reusable, regiftable, all kinds of fun, right? Okay, so now we're gonna take our 2 leaf pieces and we're gonna stick our first one down, and this one we're gonna stick on with some dimensionals. So it's gonna have us put, and it tells you even right where to put it on the instructions. Love that, right? Okay, so we're gonna put one in the middle, and we're gonna put one more kind of next to that. So it shows 2 of them right there. And we're just gonna stick this right in the center there. And yes, you can see the dimensionals, but we're gonna add some stuff right on top, and that will take care of that, right? So we're gonna put one more dimensional on our other green piece here. We'll center that. So now I've got those 2 green pieces. I totally just put that upside down. Let's fix that. There we go. So now we've got our 2 green pieces. So we did step 1, we did attached our string. Step 2, we attached our center piece. Step 3, we attached our leaf foliage pieces. And then step 4, so on the instructions it says you can use a hot glue gun to attach the pine cones. You could also use that to attach your bow. But they gave us all these dimensionals. I mean, well, they did give us those, but they gave us all these glue dots. So let's first attach our bow with our glue dot. And so we'll put this right kind of in that center. How cute, right? I love that. Okay, and then with our pine cone, let's see, I think this will work. So our glue dots are real adhesive, so that is good. You could also use maybe some tear and tape if you had it, or even some Stampin' Seal Plus. It's a stronger adhesive. It would work. I think so, because the glue dots even will work, right? Okay, so we'll just press that on, peel that off, and we'll stick our other cute little pine cone right there. So look how easy that ornament was. Let me get closer so you can see that. We've got our cute bow already tied for us, our cute pine cones. There are even some berries in there for the other ornaments. We've got our string, so we can just tie this, you know, at the top around our package, tie it in a bow, or you could tie it in a knot at the top to hang on the tree. So many things. So you could decorate your own tree with all of these. That would be very cute. You could decorate a smaller tree with it or disperse them on your regular tree. You can gift them. You can attach them as gift tags. So many options. So this is our Made Easy Monday, and I hope you enjoyed this. This is the Christmas ornament kit, and it comes with those 9 ornaments that you can make to gift, decorate, all kinds of things. So I will see you guys soon for our next video, but Made Easy Monday is absolutely so possible with all of our kits collection. They really do a good job in putting together an all-inclusive kit, right? All you need really is some scissors, and you don't even always need those. So only when they come with some, you know, ribbon or something. But they are awesome for when you just need a quick project. They're awesome when you need something to do on the go and maybe you can't pack up your whole craft supply and you just want something fast and easy. I love these. All right, everyone, have a great day and I'll see you soon.